All right, now today let's begin the concept of mermaid diagram. So mermaid diagrams makes process easier to understand. So once we have saved, I'll go back to wiki here. I'll add a mermaid diagram in a new page. I'll click new page here at the bottom. Let's give the title like diagram, mermaid diagram demo, something like Cloud Guru Amit or something. And once done, so now we are ready to begin our mermaid diagrams. So let's create some flow charts in our CI/CD pipelines. All right, I have the code. So let's begin the code. I'll explain how to format this. I'll paste here first. And if you see on the right hand side, once pasted, it says load diagram. Let's click on load diagram. And there we go, the flow chart. So please note, mermaid diagram will start and end with 3 colons, something like this. Then mermaid. So this is the basic flow. If you analyze the text, you'll understand how to format it. It's very, very easy if you look. So basically we have mentioned flow ID, and then developer code commits code. It directly points to B. B is nothing build pipeline. If you look, which is the build pipeline, is a direct arrow, right? Then B to C is a direct arrow, another. And here if you look, the question mark and all, that makes the diamond in the flowchart. We know this in flowchart is made for yes or no flow. So that's what is there. And that's what I have instructed, yes or no. And it creates a flowchart. So far so good. We have created one flowchart. Now let's try to create one sequence diagram to show interaction between developer, pipeline, and QA team. Let's begin. I have the code. So let me copy this code. I'll paste it. Now we need to click on load diagram. And there we go. So this is the sequence diagram. So that's what it goes. And please make sure whatever mermaid diagram or markdown you create, please make sure to save it by clicking save. Otherwise, everything will be lost. So we have learned that Azure DevOps supports mermaid syntax for diagrams, and it is also here, insert mermaid diagram. If you look here, the picture, if I hit enter and click here, it will give one demo. This is the simple demo wiki mermaid. This is the inbuilt format which you can refer. So I have shown you the flowchart and sequence diagram, which will be helpful. So as mentioned, mermaid diagrams makes process easier to understand, because whatever we can understand everything visually here, right? So mermaid diagram lets us visualize workflows and communication directly inside wikis, right? This is, I mean, inside the wiki. So our document isn't just text, it's interactive and visual by using mermaid diagram. So that's what it goes, the concept of mermaid diagram. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let's meet in our next lecture.